For decades, the crime of rape and sexual assault has been known as the easiest criminal allegation to make by an alleged victim and the hardest to disprove by the accused. Hello, I'm Patrick Clancy, founder of the Innocence Legal Team, California's #1 sex crime defense law firm. If accused of one of these offenses, the odds are stacked against you. Why? Because after generations of brainwashing by the Believe the Woman, Me Too, and all of the other Believe the Victim movements, society has lost the ability to think critically. Political correctness has replaced real investigations, which are now limited exclusively to finding evidence of guilt instead of uncovering the truth. Prosecutors, and even jurors, presume you're guilty, notwithstanding your constitutional right to the presumption of innocence. The prosecution has essentially unlimited funds to prosecute you and hire junk science experts who are allowed to testify regarding the so-called rape trauma syndrome, which is not a syndrome at all, to explain away the accuser's contradictory statements and delay in reporting. The Innocence Legal Team has long experience in combating this prejudice and debunking the prosecution's junk science experts. Defenses in such cases often center around the issue of consent. Rape shield laws prevent the introduction of the accuser's previous sexual history to prove consent. However, the Innocence Legal Team is experienced in being able to introduce such evidence on other relevant grounds. Sentences for rape run from 3 to 6 years. A convicted person also faces sex offender registration, 1 or more strikes, loss of firearms rights, loss of professional license, and importantly, loss of livelihood and reputation. The Innocence Legal Team is dedicated not only to protecting your freedom, but also protecting your career and reputation. I have gathered the most talented attorneys, paralegals, and experts and investigators in the state. They are smart, tenacious, and dedicated to winning. They are your army, every bit and even more capable than any DA or prosecutor's office. The Innocence Legal Team is your team.